occasion of Mother's Day. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga ina. Diba? Kayo po ang haligi ng pamayanang Pilipino dito sa Italia. So, bigay po ako sa inyo lahat. I'd also would like to thank our Italian brothers and sisters led by our Honorary Consul, Maria Medro, who's been here. Siya po ay ang aming katuwang. Siya po yung tumutulong sa konsulado sa pag-deliver ng mga services na kailangan nyo na immediate. Di ba po pwede pumunta sa Milano. So maraming pong salamat sa kanya. Also, we would like to thank our other supporters from the Italian community here in Piemonte who made this Barrio Fiesta possible. So there are too many organizations to mention, but I remember Volto. So thank you for making this happen. So ito pong pagtitipon natin ngayon ay napaka-importante. I've been here in Milan for the past 2 years and a few months. And yung sinasabi po sa akin description ng Filipino community, ng ating mga kaibigang Italiano, is that we are too quiet. We're silent and invisible. Hindi po tayo masyadong nafe-feel ng mga kaibigan natin. While most of them would tell me sa aking interaction sa mga opisyalis nila na maganda yung tingin nila sa atin. We have a very positive image. But, yun nga, masyado tayo masisipag, we just keep on working, that hindi tayo masyadong nakakapag-interact sa kanila. Right? So, yun yung sabi nila. In fact, I was with one missionary, Italian missionary who was in the Philippines, who told me the observation niya in the 20 years that he was there, na talagang napaka-quiet natin. We just tend to interact among ourselves. Same observation made by our Honorary Consul in Venice. So, yung sinasabi po ng mga Italian friends natin na dapat we should try to interact more. And we're glad ACFIL has been here and has taken the lead in putting this event together. So, today we will give our Italian and other friends from outside the Philippines an opportunity to experience Filipino culture. Ito po yung talagang pinupush ng konsulado. Masaya tayo, nakita natin yung sinandaan yung tents dyan that features the 3 main island groups. For those who are not from the Philippines is made up of 7,600 plus islands. So we're just represented by the 3 main island groups that will allow you to experience a taste of each culture. Iba-iba po yan. Those are different cultures that you would experience later on. So, I hope to replicate this. Okay, so July 6 po, sa Milan, sa Arco de la Pace, we would want to gather the biggest number of Filipinos ever gathered here in Italy. Okay, yun po yung aim natin, is to bring almost every one of us there. Ano po yung objective? Yung objective po natin dyan ay magbigay-pugay, magpasalamat sa Italia sa binigay na opportunities po sa inyo lahat. But for the first time, we want to show how much we appreciate what they have given us. We have not done this in the past. So this is the first time we will be doing this, and we want to do this by deploying the biggest number of Filipinos ever gathered. So pinagbigyan po tayo ng Comune de Milano na gawin po ito sa Arco de la Pace. Some of you have joined us in the past 2 Independence Day celebrations, and most of us did it in Parque Toscano. Tayo-tayo lang po kasi yun, di ba? Kasi sabi ko, we have to break that. Dapat mag-interact po tayo, pakita po natin yung kultura, paadaman natin sa kanila. So ito po yung mini version ng gagawin natin on July 6. So on July 6, we are celebrating 2 important occasions. One is the 127th anniversary of Philippine independence. And two, the 78th anniversary of the establishment of relations between the Philippines and Italy. Kaya pinag-combine na po natin yan. So, masaya naman po ako, sinabi ni Sally sa akin, ilang bus ba? So, dalawang bus mula sa Piemonte ang pupunta po sa Milan sa July 6 para mag-contribute po dun sa ating effort. So aside from showing our gratitude, ano pa po yung mensahe nun? Papakita natin na marami talaga tayo. Italy hosts the biggest number of Filipinos in Europe. Kaso nga hindi tayo nakikita nagko-combine, so hindi nila mabigyan ng tamang pansin ang pamayanan ng Pilipino. So once they see us then, ang dami-dami natin, alamang syempre, papansinin na nila tayo. Okay, ano po yung concept? As I've said, it's similar to this. But in the morning, first part, cultural presentations. So syempre, may cultural performance yung Piemonte dyan, di ba? So whether sayaw yan o dadalhin nyo yung band, okay yan. Second part, di ba, sinasabi natin, it's more fun in the Philippines. So second part, we will feature yung mas modern. So mga singers natin, alam ko marami dito sa Piemonte, sa Turin yung nag-participate dun sa ASAP, di ba? May mga performers kayo rito who could sing Filipino, Italian, and English songs. So gusto natin yung hapon is like a street party. So kantahan, sayawan. Gusto natin yung mga Italiano nandun, mga turista pumunta sa lugar natin. Makisaya. Because that's what we want them to see. Diba? Na we're hospitable people. Gusto nga ganyan, diba? Pag pumasok sila, pakainin rin natin. So, sinasabi ko nga, may gastos yan, diba? Yung cost. Medyo malaki. So, we're supporting that. Naka-organize po tayo by a raffle draw. Nakaisali na po yung mga tickets. So, malaki naman po yung mga premyo. But, sabi ko nga, diba? Kailangan bayanihan yan. You see the picture of the logo of ACFIL. Ayan po yung pinopromote natin. Bayanihan. Kasi pag nagtulong-tulong tayo, I'm sure we will be able to achieve that objective. Iba nga sabi, Konjen, magbabas kami, that's fine, di ba? For the 30 years that you benefited from here, ano ba naman yung konting contribution nyo para mapakita natin na isang solid group tayo, di ba? So yun lang yung pakiusap natin, let's try to make this happen, all of us, di ba? So, hindi lang po yung konsulado yan, yung Bayanihan Council po natin, kung saan yung mga leaders ng mga iba't ibang organisasyon dito sa Turin ay kasama, and all other Filipino communities in Northern Italy will converge July 6 sa Arco della Pace. Magkita-kita po tayo dyan. So gutom na po ako. So tikman yung mga specialties ng mga titikman rin natin lahat. So uli, magbibigay-pugay po ako sa ACFIL dahil ito po ay isang organisasyon na gusto namin tularan ng iba. Diba? Kapag nakausap ko si Minda, yung concept, yung history, parang sabi ko, ito yung gusto namin, sana lahat ng organizations ganyan. Diba? Organizations that would really look after the interests of members of the Filipino community. So ito po ay isang organisasyon na sabi ko ay dapat tularan. So, mabuhay ang ACFIL. Maraming salamat for organizing this. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga miyembro. Kita na po, this is an example of the bayanihan that we want all of us to emulate. And before I finish, last announcement. Yung registered voters po sa atin, please, mag-enroll na po.